Weather has gotten so hot and humid, and it reminds me that monsoon is here and next few months are going to be like this, like super hot and super sticky and super annoying. Honestly, I'm not a fan of monsoon season. I have never liked rainy weathers, like they are not for me. And for today's video, I'm not wearing any foundation. Like I have definitely used all the point makeup like concealer around my eyes. I have used blush and I have used the tint, the eyebrow pencil, mascara and everything. I have applied that, but I have not used the foundation because last time while recording the same video, when I wore a foundation, oh my god, I was literally melting. I was melting like an ice cream, and I was like, okay, maybe for this monsoon season I'm gonna avoid the foundation. And so let's see what happens and what I decide in the coming months, since I don't know why even I'm sharing this. Anyways, so in today's video, since the monsoon is here, I decided to share some moisturizers that are extremely lightweight, that are like hydrating and sufficiently moisturizing, and this is why they are perfect for this monsoon season. So just like how I do in all of my videos, I'm gonna group all these 5 moisturizers in 2 different categories. In first category, I will be sharing moisturizer which are suitable for normal dry combination and slightly oily skin. Also, I will be mentioning these moisturizers in no particular order, and all of these 5 moisturizers are my favorite. I like to use them. They are like amazing for this monsoon season. And to start off this video, I'm gonna review the Belif Aqua Balm. Like this is the moisturizer which I didn't plan to review, and I was not even interested in trying out because looking at the texture, I thought only combination or oily skin people might like it. It's not gonna work for my dry skin. But few months back, like I decided to give a try to these minis of this Belif Aqua Balm. Each tub has 10 ml of quantity, and so I have nearly used up 30 ml of these Belif Aqua Balm moisturizer, and I was like, I'm loving it. It's working really well for my skin. I have to get the bigger tub, so I went ahead and bought this 25 ml size. And then very recently, like brand decided to gift me another tub, so I have another 25 ml tub. So basically I have now 2 tubs of these Belif Aqua Balm. So why I love this Belif Aqua Balm? Firstly, because it has that very beautiful watery gel cream sort of texture that doesn't feel heavy on skin, and whenever I like apply this moisturizer on my face, it instantly hydrates my skin. It of course moisturizes my skin, that too without any stickiness. But thirdly and most importantly, what I have noticed is the consistent usage of this has definitely improved the overall condition of my skin. And it does have good ingredient list, like it contains ceramide free, it contains all the fatty acid, it also contains cholesterol. So I have like talked about this in one of my very old video on skin barrier friendly moisturizer video, that if you come across any moisturizer that contains all of these 3 ingredients, that moisturizer is really good for your skin barrier, and it actually helps in repairing your skin barrier. But one thing I want to point out, it does contain denatured alcohol and fragrance in it. Like I didn't have any problem with that because the denatured alcohol in it didn't dry out my skin. In fact, I didn't even notice it until I saw that ingredient list. And secondly, when it comes to fragrance, the fragrance is very mild. Like after the application, the fragrance goes away completely and it doesn't even linger around. And in case like if you have sensitivity towards alcohol and fragrance, don't worry, I have another product for you. And the product is going to be Rovectin Skin Essential Barrier Repair Aqua Concentrate. So this Rovectin moisturizer has a watery gel cream sort of texture, almost like that of the Belif Aqua Balm. Like texture wise, they are like very similar. Like this Rovectin one contains 7 different types of hyaluronic acid. It does contain fatty acid, niacinamide, panthenol, and many other good things in it. And the ingredient wise, the major difference between these 2 products is that the Rovectin one is 100% fragrance free and is 100% alcohol free. Other difference between these 2 moisturizer is that like they more or less perform same on your skin, but there is slight difference. Like this Rovectin one is not only hydrating and moisturizing, but it also helps in reducing the redness. redness particularly which you get due to dehydration. And if you are in a lookout for a lightweight moisturizer which is hydrating, moisturizing, and thirdly it improves the overall condition of your skin, in that case the Believe one is going to be a good option for you. And personally for me, both are amazing. Both of these moisturizer work fabulously on my skin. I really love them. So if you want to pick either of these moisturizer, it only depends on your preferences, like what kind of formulation you prefer. And since we are talking about these two ingredients, I quickly want to put up that I don't understand why there is so much of fear when it comes to like fragrance and denatured alcohol in a skincare product. Like, I'm not saying these two ingredients are beneficial for your skin. No, they are not of much benefit. These two ingredients, that is denatured alcohol and fragrance, are added to a product just to improve that overall experience of using a product. Like for example, denatured alcohol is added to a product so that the product sinks in better into your skin and it doesn't clog your pore, and the moisturizers especially, they feel good on application, something like that. That's the main purpose of the denatured alcohol. And when it comes to fragrance, like, I don't know if you have used like 100% fragrance free moisturizer, sometimes they stink really bad that some of you might not even be interested in putting on your face. So this is why sometimes brand add the fragrance to the product just to cancel out that stinky smell, or to improve that overall skincare product experience. That's all, nothing more than that. But again, like, if you have extremely damaged skin, you are experiencing redness, rosacea, all that stuff on your skin, then definitely you need to stay away from these two ingredients. So the third moisturizer in this category is the Cosrx Oil Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion with Bird Sap. So I love this moisturizer because it has such fabulous texture. It is very hydrating, it is very moisturizing, but most importantly, it also calms down my skin. Like, it uses mainly bird sap in it, and it is used in good 70%. Like, this is the ingredient which still is not very extensively used in skincare products, and I don't understand why. And bird sap as an ingredient is a really good ingredient to hydrate and calm your skin, but it does contain two essential oil in it, that is tea tree oil and lemon peel oil. And because of this tea tree and lemon peel oil, it has that something like lemony tea tree oil sort of fragrance in it. So it does contain natural fragrance in it. So in case if you have sensitivity towards these two essential oil, you can skip on this. Otherwise, this is a fabulous product. So while editing this video, I realized that I totally forgot about one of the moisturizer that I really wanted to mention in this video, and the product is the Innisfree Aloe Revital Sleeping Pack. The texture of this moisturizer is perfect for this monsoon season. Like, it's very lightweight, watery gel cream sort of texture. Like, if I compare the texture of this one with the last three moisturizer that I shared in this video, this has the most lightweight texture. And I save this product for days, like when I feel that my skin is irritated and I'm in need of something very simple. So you can use it safely daily for your both morning and night routine. And of course, like, you can also use it like your sleeping pack at night as well. It works either way, and I just like to casually use it as my moisturizer. Other good thing is that this product is very pocket friendly. Like, for 950 or how much, yeah, for 950 you get almost 100 ml quantity of the product, and it does last for a long time. So I really love this product because it has such simple formulation. It is 100% essential oil free, castor oil free, fragrance free, alcohol free, and it's like very gentle product on skin. So if you have sensitivity on your skin, definitely check this out for the monsoon season. And yeah, so now let's go back to the main video. Bye. So moving on to the second category, here I will be sharing two moisturizer for very oily skin people in monsoon time. And the first product is the Skinfood Lettuce and Cucumber Watery Emulsion. So by emulsion, it means that it is nothing but a very light weight lotion. And this lotion mainly uses lettuce and cucumber extract in it to hydrate and give you that refreshed feeling during this monsoon and summertime. And again, I want to put up that it does contain denatured alcohol and fragrance, and in case if your skin is sensitive to these two, you can skip on this and check out the next option that I will be sharing. And the next product is the Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. So this is another product that I have featured so many times on my channel. Like sometimes even I get bored of talking about this, like why am I talking so much about it, it's so boring. But this product is really good. Like it contains aloe and centella extract to calm your skin, and since this has a gel sort of texture, like a clear gel sort of texture, so it is non-sticky and very lightweight on skin. And the ingredient list of this is very clean. Like it doesn't contain alcohol, it doesn't contain fragrance, it is 100% essential oil free and has very minimum ingredient list. And so yeah, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, definitely give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.